Let's take a look at this toilet paper holder from Ruacq. They come in a variety of finishes. I chose this chrome finish to match the other chrome things in my restroom. It comes with all the hardware needed to install it. It's got a really nice modern design and looks great. Here's the bottom of each arm. We have the mounting brackets that will screw onto the wall or cabinet side. And here you can see how the toilet paper holder will swing down and rest onto the other arm. There's a small notch built out for it to fit into. You also get this user guide, which has a template on the top. It helps you mark the spots where you will screw the mounting brackets. I'm going to go ahead and put this holder onto the side of my new cabinet. After using the template and marking the spots with the pen, I go ahead and use a drill to open the way for the screws. And here's the toilet paper holder mounted onto the brackets. It looks perfect. Let's go ahead and load it up with some toilet paper. Inserting a roll of toilet paper is effortless. I highly recommend this toilet paper holder. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my video informative.